solved, why you should cover gable vents. So, gable vents might seem like just some random holes on your attic walls, but covering them can totally change the game for your home's comfort and energy bills. First off, if you got gable vents, you want to make sure they're not letting cold air in during winter or hot air messing with your cooling in summer, you know? A quick way to tackle this is by installing vent covers made for your gable style. These keep out rain, bugs, and unwanted drafts without blocking airflow completely. Another tip is to check if your attic insulation is up to snuff, because vents only work right when insulation's solid, otherwise you're just wasting energy. Also, keep an eye out for any damage or gaps around the vents and seal them tight with weather-resistant caulk or foam. If you're dealing with pests or leaves clogging your vents, a mesh screen can be a lifesaver while still letting air move freely. You might want to schedule a seasonal checkup, especially before winter and summer, to make sure those covers and vents are doing their job right. And trust me, balancing ventilation and sealing can reduce your heating and cooling costs more than you'd expect. One of the biggest issues with gable vents is that people forget about regular maintenance, which leads to clogged or damaged vents, causing poor attic ventilation and higher energy bills. Fix that by setting reminders to clean and inspect vents twice a year. Next, a lot of folks think sealing gable vents means shutting them off completely. That's a no-go because it can trap moisture and cause mold or wood rot. Instead, go for vent covers designed to block weather but still allow air to flow. Lastly, using the wrong size or type of vent cover messes up airflow balance, which can lead to roof damage or ice damming in winter. Make sure you pick covers that fit your vent dimensions perfectly and consult a pro if you're unsure. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle things like gable vent covers right. Contractors also get a steady stream of work from people who seriously need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.